The fat magnet. Okay. All right. Oh, do I even need to explain how and why this is a scam? Like honestly, do any of you not see how this is ridiculous? Cuz it is ridiculous. You can't Okay. Let's try to take this at least a little bit seriously, purely for explanation purposes. The Fat Magnet appeared on the market around 2013 and is a product that claims to be able to just magnetically, well, more on that later, just absorb, get all the fat out of your stuff, your food, make it healthier with none of that fat. You don't want any fat, do you, you fatty McFatterson? Well, it's just gonna help you for realsies. And, okay, alright. So, it consists of a plastic handle and a metal sort of top shaped thing. And the idea is you put it in your stew or chili or something like that, and you move it around, and it just sucks up all the fat and the grossness and the stuff you don't want, apparently. And then it's all healthy, and then you just eat whatever you want. Just do that. Also, it okay. In the very technical sense, it does kind of do that, but the scam here isn't that it doesn't do it. Scam here is that you don't need this product to do that. For one thing, the Fat Magnet was only marginally uh, successful at doing what it was supposed to do. It did work in the very technical sense, but not in any significant way. But it was discovered that the reason the Fat Magnet is a scam, and the reason why you shouldn't buy one ever, is that let's say you really want to do this and get the fat out of whatever you're eating, okay? You could instead use what we in the trade refer to as a spoon. A metal spoon will do exactly the same thing as the Fat Magnet does if used in the same way. Because the Fat Magnet isn't a magnet. Because you can't, like, magnetically absorb fat from the food, you know? Like, that's not how this works. Even Dr. Oz featured it on one of his programs. Because of course he did. I swear, that man peddled so much ridiculous crap. Which is hilarious because he actually was a genuinely good doctor and surgeon. But when it came to his show, he just peddled nonsense. Gotta get those sponsorship deals, I guess. And we need to also discuss the notion of removing the fat at all. Is that really going to help you lose weight? And in the modern day, eh, not necessarily. Modern research has showed the issue is not necessarily fat, believe it or not, when it comes to losing weight. It's sugar. Drop your sugar, you'll probably lose a lot of weight. So even just getting the fat out of the food actually probably won't result in any significant weight loss. You know how you want it? Here's how you lose some weight. Instead of making a really fatty stew or casserole or chili, how about this? How about this? Follow me on this. Eat a salad. Go outside and take a walk. Like, this is not actually that difficult, and you don't need to buy ridiculous cheap crap in order to see significant reduction in your waistline. Like, I'm only trying to help you. And instead, you purchase this stuff, skimming the fat off of your freshly made casserole when you could have just done that with a spoon, or heck, not at all! Several news agencies and journalists tested the Fat Magnet, and pretty much unanimously it was determined that it didn't even do a good job of what it was supposed to do if used right. At the end of the day, it would have been much better to use a spoon, which you probably already have, instead of getting this thing, just kind of moving it over the surface of whatever you're trying to get the fat out of, or I don't know, just buy some leaner meat, just use some leaner ingredients. Like there's so many other ways that you could go about this if you're really trying to cut fat out of your diet. Look, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. But you know what's even better about this whole thing? Like really just fantastic. Just wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. It's still on the market. Seriously. There are places that still sell this blasted thing. The Handy Gourmet Fat Magnet. Make meals healthier. Simply freeze, then skim the surface and fat is gone. Removes fat, cholesterol, and calories instantly. Before, there's no after shot. It just says before. So, okay. Perfect for stews, soups, gravies, chili, and more. Soaks up grease like a magnet. Except not at all. Don't don't buy this. Just eat healthier if that's what you're trying to do. This won't help you lose the weight. I promise you. Please believe me. Till next time, this is Darkness, and I bid you all a fond farewell.